Northwest, I'm Ashley McGuffey, and this is your Northwest Minute. February is Black History Month, a time to celebrate the achievements, resilience, and cultural contributions of Black individuals throughout history and today. This week, we are celebrating Black history in the arts. Be sure to look around the school for some art pieces and be on the lookout for some special performances this week. And rep your favorite Black artist on Friday. Friday is the last day to turn in a CTE application. If you're a 9th or 10th grader, don't miss your chance to apply to next year's CTE programs at Hines Community College VoTech. Pick up and return your application in the Tom's office or counseling suite. No late applications will be accepted. Congrats to Caden Yarn and Carter Dawson on being named the All-State Bowling Team. The duo got to participate in the All-State Bowling Tournament last week. Also, 5 football players signed last week to play the next level. Congrats to Robbie Crosby, Octavius Hunt, Daniel Sherman, Brooks Wallace, and Daniel Watkins. The Northwest Minute is news for the student, by the student. I'm Ashley McGuffey, and thanks for watching.